In our previous video, we helped Ron understand multiplying fraction by a whole number. Now, he wants to understand multiplying fraction by a fraction. So, in this video, we will help Rohan understand this topic. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing about multiplication of fractions. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now we are going to discuss a rule which we have to follow for making multiplication of fractions easier. So here I have a problem with its solution. So first I'm going to write the problem. Okay, so we have to first write it in this way. Okay, and then we will see if there is any chance of simplification. So 2 and 6 are of the same table, they are of 2 table. So we are going to simplify them using 2 tables. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. And now there is no further chance of simplification. Okay, so we are going to write, we are going to multiply the top numbers, multiply the bottom numbers to get our answer. So first the fraction line. So the top numbers, 1 into 3. So when we multiply them, 1 into 3 is 3. Okay, and 1 into 7 is 7. So that's our answer. So there's another way of going through this problem. In the other way, we first multiply the top numbers, so we get 6, and then we multiply the bottom numbers, so we get not 7, sorry, we get 14, and then we simplify. So the difference is first here we multiply and then we simplify, and in the first method we first simplified and then multiplied. Okay, so in this video we are going to be using the first method. Okay, so here I have some problems which we are going to practice to get familiar with this topic. So the first problem is 2 by 3 into 9 by 10, and as I told, we are going to write it in this way. Okay, now I can see there is a chance of simplification. 3 and 9 can be simplified, 2 and 10 can be simplified, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So first I'm going to simplify 2 and 10. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, and then there's 3 and 9, so I'm going to use 3, so 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Okay, and this is equal to, now we are going to multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers. So 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 5 is 5, and this is our answer. Okay, so moving on to the next problem. It is 8 into 15 by 27 into 16. Now, again there's a chance of simplification. 15 and 27 can be simplified, 8 and 16 can be simplified. So for simplifying 8 and 16, I'm going to take 8 table. You can even use 2 table and then again take 2 table like that. But I'm going to be using 8 table. So I get 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. And now 27 and 15, I can simplify it using the 3 table. Okay, so 3 nines are 27 and 3 fives are 15. And now we are going to multiply the tops and the bottoms. So 1 into 5 is 5 and 9 into 2 is 18. So this is our answer. Okay, moving on to the next problem. It is 5 into 54 by 18 into 45. Okay, and I'm directly writing in the way we have to write it. Okay, so now I can see that 5 and 45 can be simplified, even 54 and 45 can be simplified. Okay, so I'm going to show you how they can be simplified. So if I'm going to simplify 5 and 45, I'm going to use a 5 table. So 5 ones are 5, and 5 nines are 45. Okay, and if I'm going to simplify 54 and 45, I'm going to use the 9 table. So it's going to be 54 into 6, and sorry, not 54 into 6, 9 into 6, and 9 into 5. So I get 6 by 5, and then I can do it in that way. 6 and 18 can be simplified. So that is another way I can go through this problem. So I'm going to go through it in this way only. So now 6 and 18 can be simplified, and 5 and 5 can also be simplified. So 5 and 5, I'm going to do that first. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, and 6, I'm going to write it in red. So 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. So 1 into 1 is equals to 1, and 3 into 1 is equals to 3. So this is our answer. Okay. Now moving on to the next problem. It is of 3 fractions. Okay, so it is 4 into 2 into 25 by 5 into 3 into 16. Now I want you to pause the video and try to do this problem on your own. Okay, I'm expecting you to pause the video and first look at this problem. 5 and 25 can be simplified, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Next, 4, okay, and the 16 can be simplified, okay, and even this 2 and the 16, they can also be simplified. So I'm going to do the 4 and the 16 one. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Now what I'm going to do is take this 2 and 4 and simplify it even further. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. And now I see there is no chance of simplification. So now I'm going to multiply the tops and I'm going to multiply the bottoms. Okay, so this is equals to 1 into 1 into 5. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 5 is 5 by it is 3 into 2. Okay, 3 into 2 is 6. So our answer is 5 by 6. Now moving on to the next problem. So it is 33 into 24 into 8 by 16 into 55 into 9. Okay, so again I want you to pause the video and try to do this problem on your own. So I'm expecting you to pause the video, and now we are going to simplify this. So first, 33 and 55, they are both of 11 tables, so we are going to simplify that. Simplify those numbers. So 11 into 3, 33, 11 into 5 is 55. Then what else? Yeah, 8, this 8 and this 16 can also be simplified. Okay, so I'm going to use 8 table. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Okay, and now this 3 and 9 can also be simplified. This 9 and this 3. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and what else can be simplified? So I see nothing can be simplified further, so I'm going to multiply the tops. Wait, something else can also be simplified. So this 2 and this 24 can be simplified. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 2 12s are 24, And now even this 3 and this 12 can also be simplified. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, okay? So now there's finally no chance of simplification. So I'm going to multiply the top. So it is 1 into 4 into 1, which is 4, by 1 into 5 into 1, which is 5. So doing all of this, we got our answer 4 by 5. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!